Andonsi aso tutengerte ndino kwegena ngani go ndrete gotwara omugaso omuya ase aborokia ase chinsemo asikyambe keria kyanat na kupet babeire bakurali ngani go baraye bakogenda nomugiro obo ase obosembe bwendate ko bwatu kona go tebwa go chia ase aborokiwa bale ase chinka kwerenda uya ayonsi nimengomanya ase obwagale tenengoro kwa job Maangi no koneken chibichechi boigo na maliokia bera wekera asenchira yobo ikeranere Lydia Mosenkorande asiketeri tambe mbenko mamanya na liaya abera watekorwa semambi yarenge entambe wekera omugaso obono. Nabokono tubuate utira sumtandai Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News na watira senchira yomtandai www.ndizitv.net Amayia nikotokwata kurwase county ya Nyamira asumwakilishi bwabangi na Jerusha Mumanyi abeire gakurwa okoboli agotia ase serikali ye county ya Nyamira okonya abantu banyore amachi anemono ase okobaremera ebisima elinde okonya abangi na babere bakonyora egurube yokugenda Chinsa mukire chambe rinde konyora amache wega kwana ase Chinsa mo ekyonigo omuwakilisho yobu abangi na abeire gakobolia abaiboli kolenda abana babo keboikerano nakobagania koborokerelia chingendo chire chindonke
itamache ngumna ya famati ya bana bit school amata kurukuyo mege sima. We got to go that is why we have the Ministry of Water in the county. So what are the ministry? A couple of colleagues. I look at the ministry called Witness. What is the making idea as a ministry of work? Ona bana badia, Dr. Getanora Matarang, Aranyumba, Arang, Gasbako, and the switch, Amataswa. And the Basson, and one switch and you back a match. Na tuchandi rumaita abana b'isukuru kandi yayenda gataye n'ubukuna n'egetiku yomba bintu to kwabusa nanye no kwabusa mandi ko geririga nanye nege to gikora kwegera sipanyore cyae n'ubusuki bukensemo abayiburi nanye mwatingira abana aba bara amatani naki wabukire abusa kurara ari nyara sakurara Algeria bintu byayeza aregitanda amanye kwaregitanda ati bikoro tubyaye cyanga cyaye cyasibi bune meidi amanye murago tiringa atibeke boxi
Togoska abosio nigo litkuligoro ekiombe keriatinete aboro kegiati NC kiabete gokora omoi egesangerkano somusangerkano nebyombe bikwegerera aboro kia ati skuru chesekona na wayo skuru chi choboroso nat na kupet askolende babete bagusinyana chinkwana bono nigo ekiombe gekwegerera aboro kia ati skuru chesekona likeria ya kupet na boigo kelige kwegerera aboro kia ati skuru chiri choboroso kia nat babeire bakuralia ase obumo unanigo barachi kogendra nomugiro olibabete bakoroberia guchakera ewiki egoja askolende ensemo yekiombe gekolikia aboro kia giati SE kiabeire gekuralinga nigo kerabe gego akana aboro kia chibesa batigaletie wekera omwelio wiki egoja ase babeire bakurwa ukoboli una aboro kia baba wekerana ase chiskuru elinda kwene kinga chisemi nchirigo chia goturu vanigwa.
The strike is still on until we sit with those organs and until Teacher Service Commission give us response.
The commission has degraded the teaching profession to the level that we are now a laughing stock in the region. Service Commission did not commit in any way the state of the 46,000 intern teachers.
No teacher is ever employed as an intern. Teachers are either permanent and pensionable or on contract. So you saw them in the streets. It was one of our demands
that the unions had resolved.
Walimu wetu Jumatatu waelekee mashuleni. Mishahara by Friday inaingia kwa bank zao.
Togos kabosioni go omokonyi bomongina abose omokonyi bomo rai bwense Dorcas ga shawa aberega wesoki bene na kuruoko bolia ase aborokia gutiga omugiro obo ase ngencho nigo orachi goturubania chisemi ase abakwanira igoro yemeremo emiya aborokia abakora ime yense yaicho ya Kenya enkwana yabere gekoegwa okopoko nabarai au anemono abo babeire bakubolia okuiwana na egati ye kiombe getenerete aborokia naboigo ensemo eria yeserekali semire serekali ekorawa nekiombe kelia gekolikia aborokia ya TSC.
Ile walimu waliongea pamoja na ministry wakae chini, hatutaki watoto wetu waumie, na budget ya 18.3 bilioni ilipitishwa, waone ni ngapi itawekwa kwa walimu kwa mambo ya hiyo increment, salary increment, mali itawekwa kwa promotion na mali pia itawekwa kwa sababu ya GSS wale interns ambao wako wameajiriwa.
Every person here is a product of a teacher, and it is a very noble job, and I pray for you that on Monday God will help you to go to classes because of our children. The other thing I would like to urge us today is that we make sure that we go for testing, because cervical cancer has killed very many women, and cervical cancer is treatable if it is discovered early.
Togos kabosioni go mwaziri otenenerete oboiji wa madini na boigo amangana arengete oborubi Ali Hassan Joho agendrete netaro ya ye ime yechi county au ase ense yeito ya Kenya ase abagakora etaro ya ye ase county ya Nandi na kumulekera amangana arengete oboiji wa madini ase abagakogikelia na komochia abantu babeire bagokora oboiji wa madini mamincha yeri chiko ase abagatebanga eserekali yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto neruete bene kwene kinga ngochiere gokinia chibesa egosangereria wetera ase oboiji wa madini rine kwene kinga ense icho ya Kenya ngokinere ase ekerengo keliagia uchumi ase voigo aba gagotebanga wetera ase oboiji wa madini kubeka emeroberio emiya nare nogosemeria ase amatuko abosio abasae mbachikonyora emeremo wetera ase ewizara eyo atenenerete.
And we're trying to find out why is it that for the longest time nobody can actually give us a success story or a good story in regards to mining, particularly in this area. That's why we're here today, to see and listen to everybody, stakeholders, from my brothers in the field of artisanal mining, those big investors, the communities, the county government. We believe strongly that county government has a critical role. And I was telling the governor in his office that once we agree on a structured way of engagement, there's a lot more we could do together. The county government here should be able, first of all, to help us in dealing with illegal mining. Governor, I don't know whether you're aware, but I've come to learn when I got into the office that there are many illegal miners in our country. They collect particularly gold and take it to some other country, neighboring country, process it, and unfortunately pay royalties there. So what's meant for you is paid elsewhere, because they would need some documentation of some sort to be able now to export into the international market. I'm sure my brothers in the industry understand what I'm talking about. So we have to stop that. That has to end. So we ensure whatever God-given minerals of value in our country do benefit our people. And where even the government is today, if we really want this government to stabilize and progress and, relieve the burden of taxation on the people, is we have to find other means. And that is why I want to
Maiga ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza komochigwa asugutwara ebirenga byokonia egati yechi kampuni che serikali bunakelia yegeti yechindege enyomba bose omoyi ensemelia yemega ya JKICC egati yechi kampuni chindenigo omwaziri otenenerete amangana alengete chinguru chomolero opiyo undanyi abere gagwe soki bene na gotuguterare buna serikali teri gochikonia kampuni etenenerete oboni bwama gutano bosombi ya Kenya Pipeline ase abagotebanga ne kampuni ebwate ensemo enene ase uchumi yense yaito ya Kenya kolende ekibara chigokora inse yobutenenere bwe wizara eyo nokwene kinga ngochigo kinia abare obonia bwama butabose kwene kinga obwama tubu yawe yonko bobole ne Chinsa chiria chisiko asenchira yabene yokwene kinga ense yaito ya Kenya ngochiere gukina ase ekerengo anemono ase obosombi bwa maguta.
Is not on the table in terms of any plans for privatization. As you all know, it is a strategic institution with serious national security implications. It is an institution that the government will have to hold on to.
We are keen.
The pipeline company has recorded very impressive business performance. And in that regard, it has been able to deliver to the national treasury close to 7.5 billion Kenya shillings.
Ensure that the Uganda molecules, every drop of product in Uganda, is delivered through the gateway of Mombasa, which is
Manchumurelia Ndizi TV roboti unoto chuikira omwelio wamangana majia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chebono mugaso literane nkoro kwa job Maangi na wakone kinga chibichechi poiko na malio gyabira wekera asenchira jobo ikeranu nere Lydia Mose wekera chinga kichinde na abaganeirie obulilia obya imea Ndizi TV na bubwansu bumugusi.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusi.